Hi there. My name is Kelly, and I'm with the FAAST Southwest Regional Demonstration Center, located at the Center for Independent Living in Fort Myers, Florida. For today's tech tip, we're going to be talking about the Watchminder 3. This is a vibrating reminder watch and is a great tool for setting discrete reminders to help manage your time, stay on task, and help you to remember important activities that you need to do throughout the day. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time, date, and create a reminder message using the Watchminder 3. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is set the time. The Watchminder has 2 buttons to the left and 2 buttons to the right. The top left button is your mode and your set button. We're going to hit the mode button one time, the top left button one time, and it's going to say set time or date. So there's the bottom left button next to the time. We're going to press that one time, and you're going to see the number 17 flashing. So when you're setting the time, it's going to initially show you military time, and the number 17 in military time is 5 o'clock p.m. It is 5 o'clock p.m. here, but instead of hitting set, I'm going to show you how you can use the bottom arrows to scroll. I waited too long. You can use the bottom arrows to scroll through the time. I'm going to go back to 17 and hit set. And then it's going to move over to my minutes. So again, I can use the arrows to scroll up or down. And I'm going to scroll up to 17:04, which is 5:04 p.m. I'm going to hit set. It's going to go over to my seconds. I'm going to hit set again. And so now the watch says it's 5:04 p.m. If I want to set the date, I would just hit the mode button one time, go down here to the bottom right next to the word date and press that one time. My month is going to flash. Again, I use my arrow buttons at the bottom to scroll through to find the month that I want. I'm going to go back down to March, hit set. It is the 21st, so I'm going to hit set again. It's going to go to my year. It is 2025. So I'm going to hit set again, but if it wasn't, you know that you can use the up or down arrows at the bottom to scroll through. So now I've set the date and time for my watch. So now I'm ready to get started to set a custom reminder message. The watch does have several messages already on the watch. So if you select the mode button to where it says set train message, if you wanted to see the messages on the watch, you could just scroll through to see the different messages that are on there. I want to go back to lunch and set that. And I typically take my lunch at 1 o'clock. However, I want to set a reminder at 12:50 so that I could start getting myself ready for lunch and finish up whatever work activity that I'm doing so that I can make sure that I'm not late clocking out for lunch. So I'm going to get to 12. I'm going to hit set. It's going to move over to my minutes. So they're going to start flashing. I'm going to set it for 12:50 and hit set. And I want to it to end reminding me at 1 o'clock. And I'm just going to set because I need to, and I want it to remind me in every every 5 minutes. I'm going to get another little reminder. And I hit set. And to make sure that the vibration is on, you just hit the mode button at the top left twice and hit on. And you hear that little buzzing noise, and you'll feel that vibration on your wrist when your alarm goes off. And you hit set just to make sure. And that is how you use the Watchminder 3. Hope you enjoy programming it and practice using it throughout your days.